Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so Yes has revealed yet another spoiler for the June box. I'll go over the ones that we already know about and then I'll show you the new one. So the first thing is the More Cosmetics Dream Series 18 pan palettes. There will be 4 different variations. You will get 1 out of the 4 variations. The first one is Dreamscape, then Daydreams, then Wanderlust. Last one is Stargazing. Now the next revealed spoiler was the Kaylin Line Fixed Gel Eyeliner. And then the third thing that they revealed is the Dirty Little Secrets, and this is a baked highlighter. I said baked blush in the last video. It is a baked highlighter. And then the last thing that they revealed, which is today, and it's not the last thing in the box, this is just the latest reveal. This is the Appeal Cosmetics Duo Action Liner Gel. And this is for lips and eyes, and it's showing a forest green color on here, but I'm pretty sure there will be different color variations. And this is a brand new launch from Appeal. So that's going to be really exciting. And guys, I do have a discount code. If you do want to check out Yes, it is Self-Taught Beauty, and that is in all caps. That'll get you 10% off of your first box. And Yes is linked down below if you do want to go do so. And as always, guys, make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. And also, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys are enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.